Yo, what's good YouTube? This Blue. We back at it again with another video. What we doing today? We are doing tail light tints. Not tail light tints. Blinking tail lights. Passing them jets. I got my boy also with me. In the car. They right there on the door. Door. At the bottom. Take them out. Just take them all the way out the pack. It should be. All my guys over at Blinking brake lights. 2019 Civic, that 10th gen. With these new ones, they look different from the old ones. These are V3s, so with the V3s, from what I researched, from what they were stating on their website, they basically the issue was that when you turn on the FM radio and you step on your brake, they would basically go in and out as far as the radio is concerned. So you somebody that, you know, that I guess they fixed it with this. I don't listen to the radio, so I can care less about it. But yeah, let's get into the install. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna do the whole install. I'm gonna have Austin go through the whole record me, take the shit off, and then yeah, we can go from there, see what it look like. And then yeah, we're gonna do the whole installation. Hold that jump for me right quick. So basically, 2 screws in here. Take them screws off. Basically pull this off. It's 2 clips on the inside here and here. You were saying when I take it off, basically once you take it off, it'll pull right out. It should come right out. I break this shit. 2 pins here, go there, right here. It's the ball. I hold this. Cause I'm gonna have, well, hold it right quick. I'm gonna have you check it for me. The fuck? Meow. Just like that. And you go check that jump for me. You stopped on the brake? That ain't it. Hold up. Wrong way. Alright, do it again. There we go. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Do it again. Alright, we in business. Take this one off. Oh, that won't be ready. Same process. Take these screws. Huh? Nobody out there. A month? You better try 2 months. Oh shit, wrong screw. You know motherfucker dirty when this shit dirty.
What's up, Mike?
What's up, man?
They got football, baby.
Take that off. This is the second one. I can peep the differences in the bulbs. This is the new one. It's the old one. It's the OEM. It's my aftermarket joint from Blinking Brake Lights. BlinkingBrakeLights.com. Want to check that for? Do that for me, my brother. Nope, that was wrong. Hold on. Do it again. Yes, sir. We in action. Action Jackson. Do it again. There we go. Yeah, baby. One more time, bro. We in action. Action Jackson. But with that being said, this Blue, my boy Austin. Till the next video, y'all. Peace. Y'all stay blessed. Be easy.
We out.
We out.